I've never been to Chengdu before, and this is my first time in the city. And I'm loving the city. I'm loving the culture of the city. I'm loving the laid-back attitude. I'm loving the warmth of the city, and I'm loving the tea, and I'm loving the food. And that's so it's a great place to be. This is below, and it's below the bridge. I'm using this space below the bridge to transform it. It's just fabric and air. It's filling that space, and all that's holding it in place is the air. And I wanted to do something that was about the use of the colour of the hibiscus flower, but I also wanted this feeling of underneath the bridge to kind of expand and go beyond it. The creative philosophy is I create temporary pieces, and these are temporary pieces in a once upon a time, never again. And it's only here for a short amount of time, and then when it's gone, and it'll never happen again. So it's just kind of like a moment in time. I'm completely transforming a place. I'm doing something that people would never have seen here before, making them look at the place in a completely new way. They are of a scale that's a much more than a human scale. You have to walk through it, and you have to walk around it and feel that scale, but you feel it and you touch it. And I think that human interaction is very much what brings the piece alive.